Hi, please remember to subscribe and leave any comments of what you would like to see under the microscope. Now today what we'll be doing is we'll be comparing the rose petal to the tulip petal. And as always, we begin by preparing a slide. And once that's prepared, we'll head to the microscope. We are first going to be taking a look at our rose petal. Now we can see all these little circles of pink and reddish color, and I believe these are the cells that make up the petal of the rose. And we can see these white or lighter lines running through the patches of pink, and I believe these are the vein-like structures that bring water and nutrients throughout the petals. It really is a beautiful flower. We are now going to go over to the tulip and compare its surface to the rose. And right away we can see a big difference in pattern and design, as we see the cells on the tulip seem to be more lined up in rows compared to the rose, which was random and dispersed all over. Now I enjoyed looking at those petals, and I would like to see them at a greater magnification, so I'm going to move back over to the rose and look at it under a greater magnification. Here's that rose under the greater magnification. Now moving to the tulip under the greater magnification. Again, we see that pattern difference where the tulip seems to be much more organized than the rose as far as the cell structure or cell alignment. Again, I enjoyed looking at those petals, and I hope you did too. So please remember to subscribe, and if you want to see anything else under the microscope, Please comment below what you'd like to see.